Yo, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum, what is going on in the market, quick market update. So the Bitcoin broke this descending channel pattern, shifted from the bearish into the bullish market structure. And right now, Bitcoin is facing that supply shock. Of course, we broke through this supply shock. We created a higher high. And so technically right now, Bitcoin is like rising up towards the upside. And the next target point would be, let's just say 108, those previous all-time high territories. And from here, my expectations to see at around $115,000 Bitcoin. But for me to be more confident by navigating based on those charts, I'm gonna try to connect more of those dots. I'm gonna delete that because this right now is invalid. Right now, I'm gonna rely on those ascending trend lines that act as a beautiful support right now. So I'm going to try to ride this bullish wave together with all of those trend lines. First of all, or there's like two scenarios, or we're going to see like a sharp movement to the upside from here, or maybe another breakdown. Look how this ascending trend line beautifully connects with this support, or let's just say the whole demand zone. Okay, so let's just say higher lows, not technically here, but here, higher lows. And if we're gonna experience a breakdown through this ascending trend line and gonna retest this one, ascending one, and we're gonna bounce from here, we're technically gonna create another higher lows, and the bullish momentum on the 4-hour time frame will be confirmed once again. But what's the more interesting, I mean, for those who want to trade and open it by a long position, there's a link down below, Bybit. So after your first deposit, you're gonna get over like $30,000 in trading bonuses. So if you want to open your buy long position, now is a great time with your tight stop losses. Again, nothing is a financial advice in here, but I'm relying right now on those ascending trend lines. I didn't open my buy long position on Bitcoin. We opened a lot of buy long positions on altcoins from my whale room, especially on Athena. We'll see how the Athena is going to play out. Of course, I'm not going to show you Athena charts, but if you're going to jump on those Athena charts, it looks extremely bullish, and all of those altcoins that are sitting under the Ethereum blockchain. So keep in mind that. And of course, let's just talk about what is going on in the crypto world. So the most bullish news right now that caught my eye is actually that 2 days actually ago, Fed kept the interest rates unchanged. And of course, Trump, World Liberty Finance, let's just say financial, buys 30, almost 40,000 Ethereum at around 3,312. So I'm right now super confident because, oh my god, I bought Ethereum and accumulated Ethereum on even a lower price than those big guys are buying. And what else do we have? And of course, the whole situation based on the Trump sparks that the Bitcoin during the 2025 will reach $200,000. So we'll see how this whole scenario is going to play out based by experts. That's what they telling us. And keep an eye on this setup right now on the Bitcoin. I'm keeping my eyes. Maybe I should open my buy long position from here, but when the Bitcoin and the any type of crypto is sitting at its all-time highs, I'm a little bit, I don't have that much confidence. But yeah, technically on Ethereum, let's just take a look. I'm super happy because Ethereum is breaking through this descending trend line, or should I say falling wedge pattern that we talked about it. And my expectations right now on Ethereum, yes, where's my brush tool? Yes, Ethereum technically can right now climb towards the upside, retest 3.5, the most, I don't know, psychological level, boom, clean breakout, and then push the price toward the upside and reach finally $4,000 and break through those levels. That psychological $4,000. So my next target point is $4,000. But based on the market structure, based on from the trading perspective, all I want to see is exactly, because I'm not going to open my buy long position right here. I'm sitting with I'm in the big swing with the Ethereum in spots, so I'm okay if I'm going to miss this trade. But what I want to see from Ethereum is exactly the same thing as we saw back in what was like 24 of or let's just say 14 of May. Yeah, it was something like that experienced a massive pump. So look, supply and demand, my friends, supply and demand. Let me just take this. So after we experiencing this clean breakout, we experienced that retest. We created a demand zone after this impulsive movement to the upside. Of course, There's some more demand here. We didn't reach those levels after those impulsive movements, but we retested base, of course. Let me just take from the swing highs or swing from the swing lows to swing highs. Right now, technically, we didn't experience that clean movement on the golden zone, but whatever, we still just double checking on the Fibonacci's because sometimes it gives me extra confirmation, but I'm not always relying on the Fibonacci. So experiencing that let's just say retest at around this demand zone and then rally to the upside by how much? Let's just say 30% rally. So that is what I'm another falling wedge pattern on a lower time frame, rally to the upside, and we printed this massive movement to the upside, massive falling wedge pattern. So my expectation would be nice if we're gonna come close to those levels at around 3,176, and after clean retest movement to that would be like a healthy price action, let's just say, yeah, price action movement, and then push the price towards the upside and my open buy long position once again because my previous position got stopped out. So I would like to take the whole chunk of this buy long position. Well, that's my plan on Ethereum. We'll see if it's gonna play out or not. Technically, we're still waiting. Bitcoin is gonna close most likely January on the green. Ethereum, we're still sitting in the red, so I hope so. If we're gonna experiencing that sweet, nice, juicy pump, we're gonna close in the green again. And most of the time, February and March on Ethereum, based on the monthly returns, the historical price, let's just say price charts, we're closing every single time in a green. So it's a very interesting February and March, those 2 months. So keep an eye on those months because it could be wild. And the Bitcoin as well, most of the time, well, except 2020, the COVID year, if I remember correctly, but most of the time February and March are always in the green. Most likely we'll see the February in the green. Only we have on 2014 the red one, negative 30%, closed in the negative 30%. So also on Ethereum, 2017 plus 50, negative 24, and every single month. So what happened in 2018? That was like our first bull rally, if I remember correctly. So, and every single time, every single 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, 23, 24, February right now, 25, we probably gonna experience the same thing because every single time February and March are the most bullish months in the whole year. So we'll see how this whole situation is gonna play out, but based on those patterns, let's just say monthly returns patterns, we are almost every single time we're closing in the green. So what is going on with ETH? ETH is right now experiencing clean breakout. Beautiful, actually beautiful. And my expectations, yeah, once again, so this is a quick market update, nothing crazy, but I want to keep you guys updated what is going on with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Again, nothing in here is a financial advice. If you like my content, smash the like and subscribe button. You will help me to grow. Yeah, and my expectations right now to see some kind of retest, or maybe we're gonna print a bigger candle. So this whole, let's just say, this whole 4-hour candle hasn't closed yet, and we'll see. Maybe we print something more bullish. We're gonna aim for those higher price levels to enter our buy long position. So it's like I'm just only speculating, but we'll see. The only thing is right now is the most bullish thing is that we were breaking through this bullish, let's just see, from the bearish market structure into the bullish through this falling wedge pattern that we kept our eyes on for a very long time, for more than a month. So, and of course on daily time frame, if this whole situation is going to play out, I'm just going to remind you that we form massive, and I'm going to say massive inverse head and shoulders pattern. But I'm not relying on those patterns. I'm always like on the daily time frame, I'm looking for something more. But yeah, everyone is bullish because of those inverse head and shoulders pattern. But all I'm seeing is that we have a tons of resistance here, a tons of supply. Should I mark this down? tons of supply. And if you're navigating based on the inverse head and shoulders patterns or the falling wedge pattern, the one thing is clear: we have to break through this psychological $4,000 level to push the price to the upside and reach new all-time highs on Ethereum. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna keep you guys updated, and I posted this on my Telegram channel, so if you want, you can always join. There's a link down below. It's absolutely free. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next one. Peace out.